Now, rift within the India alliance after Delhi debacle, Samna takes dig at the Congress. Now, Samna mentions that the Aam Aadmi Party and Congress fought so intensely that they damaged each other's reputation, weakening their own chances and strengthening BJP's position. I'm now joined by CNN News 18's Pallavi Ghosh. Pallavi, clearly there is no doubt that the Congress party did cut the votes for the Aam Aadmi Party, which benefited the BJP. Now, a lot of criticism, of course, that is coming in within the allies of the India bloc. How is the Congress party reacting to all this criticism?
Shalini, I'm sure we both have heard on the ground the Congress's dilemma as well as the catch-22 situation. On one hand, they understand that there's something called coalition dharma and therefore they should be helping each other rather than working against each other. But at the same time, as an individual political party, the Congress leaders feel that they do reserve the right to promote their cause. And the question which they're asking of the AAP, of the TMC, is that why did you go and contest in Goa, in Gujarat? Why did you want to do so in Haryana? Knowing very well that this was a bipolar fight and you should not have been, actually making a presence over there. In fact, many in the Congress party believe that the Aam Aadmi Party is contesting in Haryana damaged the Congress so much because it divided the anti-BJP votes. Why is it that the AAP or the TMC are not being criticized for it? I think the Congress finally seems to have made up its mind that it's not going to be apologetic about what happened in the national capital. In the loss of the Aam Aadmi Party, they're looking at an opportunity of revival, and that's also the reason why they're now looking at other states where they have been wiped out by regional satraps. For example, Bengal, where we know they have an alliance with left, and the critical question over here is that will they snap their ties with the left as well, which makes the assembly elections next year very, very interesting. But for now, despite the criticism coming in from the India bloc allies, the Congress has decided to go it alone.
But Pallavi, does this mean that the India bloc is still there? Because like you earlier mentioned just a few days back that there used to be a meeting before the parliament session used to begin. The meeting is missing and then now the Rahul Gandhi is in fact planning to go to West Bengal for a Padyatra. Is the India bloc still relevant and are they still working on unitedly working?
Well, the irrelevance of the India bloc is being repeatedly highlighted by the BJP and also political observers of the way the India bloc is working or not working, Shireen. But yes, we've seen this almost in a parliament session come to an end. Another 3 days left to go. Early morning in Mr. Kharge's room used to be the India bloc meeting. None of it has been held. Yes. And in fact, they don't even talk to each other. I mean, I noticed in parliament that day when DMK was agitating over the fishermen issue, there was the RJD, there was the Congress and the Trinamool Congress. But the TMC turned up only because it was being done by the DMK and not by the Congress party. And similarly, if the Congress is leading a protest, you will not see a Trinamool Congress or an AAP over there now.
So, like Pallavi is reporting, of course, that there is a rift that is only widening. We have to, of course, see how it all transpired with upcoming elections in Bihar and West Bengal in 2026. Now, we are getting a series of reaction as far as this story is concerned. Let's listen in.
इंडिया गठबंधन और मजबूत होगा। हम और आप लोग अपनी कई बार हार से बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं। हार से सीखना ही आने वाले समय के लिए रास्ता बनाता है।
देखिए, जब इंडिया अलायंस बना था उसी समय बात तय हुई थी कि लोकसभा के चुनाव लड़ने का अलायंस है। राज्यों में लोग अपने अपने निर्णय ले सकते हैं, ये कह के इंडिया अलायंस बना था। वही नीति अभी है। जब वो पार्लियामेंट के चुनाव होंगे निश्चित रूप से फिर इंडिया अलायंस की बात फिर से शुरू की जाएगी। लेकिन ये तब ये तय हुआ था। अब क्या आगे रणनीति सारे दल बनाते हैं वो देखना है कि वो क्या तय करते हैं। लेकिन विपक्षी एकता मजबूत है और वो बरकरार रहेगी।